Come test drive the 2011 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, compact spare tire, front stabilizer bar, front wheel drive, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, cargo area light, child-proof rear door locks. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Come see the car for yourself.